Good morning, guys. Marlon here. Today I'm hustling again for doing a pressure washing and window cleaning for my account. This is the pediatric ortho, Fort Myers. I'm doing a pressure wash walkway, the outside wall, gutters, so it's the windows. And you can see it's Saturday, it's not office is closed. That's what I'm doing right now. And today I'm working by myself because my worker wasn't available today. It's alright. I can do it myself in about probably 6 hours. Doing myself alone in this area. So, you guys, it's a great day, and skip watching my videos. If you guys like it, please subscribe and hit the bell so you can able to